chill en esti.
Avec une voiture super
Yo, du mal là, ouais, ils ont du mal, tabarnak.
Absolutely. First station, simply not here in Metro every second. You go too loud, you don't feel it. So the nerves are not all the place here for the drive right now. And as you said earlier on, the engine in the front of the old truck or like modified truck like that. Especially since they chose to put the engine.
Oui, ma fiche, ma mémoire est
During the good part, you talk about that engine being in front, but that short wheelbase that we have to make the turn real fast, is you get to be able to get out in front here and be able to hold on. I also want to point out, like waters, it's typically used in racing on cement. Tonight, he looked like he rolled this first track. The engine tuning room has gone out at many times right here.
Hey, là, ils ont du mal, tabarnak.